1. Find the unit price of each. So the question number A, we have 3 balls cost rupees 101.25. Now this is the price of 3 balls. We have to find the price of 1 ball. So unit price means for 1 balls. So let's start. So we have to find out the price of 1, we have to divide this 101.25 by 3. Now let's start. 3 is the divisor. 101.25 is the dividend. Now the first thing is that this is 1 digit, we have to start with 1 digit, but since the first digit is smaller than the divisor, so we have to take 2 digits to make it bigger than the divisor. So 3 times 3 is 9, so 3 times 3 is 9. So what you need to do is that you have to write in the right place. If you write here, it will be wrong. So 3 times 3 is 9. So then we'll subtract this 9 from 10. We have 1 here. Bring down the next digits here. We have 11. So next dividend is 11. So 3 times 3 is again 9. You have to write it here on the right hand side. And then subtract from 11 minus 9, we have 2 here. Next, bring down the next digits, 2 here. And then we'll try to find the dividend 22 in the table of 3. So 22 is not there in the table of 2. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24. So we have to take the smaller one. So 3 times 7. 7 you have to write here. 3 times 7 is 21. Now subtract it again from here. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 0. 2 you minus here, it's 0. Now we have to bring the last digits 5 here. So we have next dividend 15. So 15 is there in the table of 3. So 3 times 5 is 15. So there is no remainder. So this decimals, you have to bring it here in the same place where you have written this quotients. Now each ball, therefore each ball cost rupees 33.75. Now let's solve the next question, question number 2. Now the next question is question number 2. Divide the following. So we have there are 4 questions. I have selected the C1. The rest you do it. 94.50 divided by 3. Now let's solve this one. 3 divide 94.50. So it is very easy. First see the divisor, 1 digits or 2 digits. We have 1 digits here, we pick 1 digits. We take 2 digits only when the divisor on the left hand side 1 digit is less or smaller number. So 3 times 3, we'll write the same place here since we are taking the 1 digits. 3 times 3 is 9. Then we subtract this one, 0. Nothing is there. So let's bring down the next digits, 4. Again 3 times 1, 3. Subtract 3 from 4. So 4 minus subtract 3 is 1. Now bring down the next digits. 5. So 15. Now our next dividend is 15. So 3 times 5 is 15. Subtract it, 0. Then let's bring this 0. So there is nothing to divide here. So 3 times 0 is 0. So you put this 0 here. 3 times 0 is 0. So we finish the division here. No remainder. So and bring this, put this decimals here. So this is the quotients, right? So the answer is 31.50. Now question number 3, answer the following. Question number A, if 7 ice cream cost rupees 129.50. So what does one ice cream cost? So 129.50 is the total price of 7 ice cream. So we have to find the price of 1 ice cream. So we'll do exactly same like we have divided in the question number 2. So 7 is our divisor and the total price is the amount is the dividend. Let's write like this. 7 divides 129.50. Now the same process goes on here. What you need to see is that 1 digit, so you have to see 1 digit, but 1 digit here is small, cannot divide, not possible. So we'll take the 2 digits. So if you take the 2 digits, the quotients you cannot write here, you have to write here. So putting the numbers in the right place, that's the important here. 7 times 1, 7, 7 times 2 is 14. So still it is greater than the dividend. So we have to take 7 times 1. So 7 times 7 here, you have to write in the right place. And then subtract it. 12 minus 7, how much we have? 5 here. Then bring down the next digits here, 9 here. Our next dividend is 59. So 7, how many times 59? You have to find it in the table. 7 times is 49. And 7 8 times is how much? 56. And 7 9 times is how much? 63. So it's greater, we cannot take. So we have to take the smaller one. 7 times 8. You have to write here. 5, 6. Then subtract it. 9 minus 9 subtract 6 is how much? We have 3. And then the next digits you have to bring it here. 5, bring down it here. Now our next dividend is 35. So 7 5 times is 35. And then if you subtract it, 0. Now the next is 0. So 7's 0 times is 0. So there is no digits to divide it. Bring this 0 here. This one. Now put these decimals here in the right place. Now we have got the cost of one ice cream. So therefore cost screen is how much? Rupees 18.50. Now it is very easy. One has been solved for you, and B, C, the rest of these two you solve it at home. Now the next chapter is exercise 4H. Question number 1, solve. A. Rupees 320 was to be spent on CDs. Now, if 8 CD were bought, what was the cost of each CD? So, we have 8 CDs here, and the total cost is 320 for 8. So, we have to find the cost of 1 CD. Each means 1. So, it's very easy, like the previous problems, we will solve it in the same way here. So, we have 8 CDs, and the total cost of 8 CD is 320. So, we have to find the cost of 1 CD. So, number of CD is the divisor, and the total amount is the dividend. Now, this is 1 digits, 1 digits, 1 digits is small, not possible to divide. We take these 2 digits, and if we are taking 2 digits, the quotients you have to write in this place. So 8 times how many we get? 32. 8 times 4, right? So 4 you will write in the place of 2 here. 8 times 4, 32. Then you subtract this one, 0. Bring this 0. 8 times 0 is 0. So bring this 0 here. Therefore, cost of each CD is rupees 40. So it is very easy. Therefore, cost of each CD is rupees 40. So 1 CD costs rupees 40, and the 8 CD costs rupees 320. Now, if you turn the next page, A, B, C, D, B, C, D, very easy, all similar, same like this you practice. If you turn the next page, we have page number 88, exercise 4I. Let's start this. Exercise 4I, question number A. A book of 180 pages. We have a book which has a page of 180. Have 15 chapters. So there are 15 chapters in this book of equal page. So in each chapter there are equal page, number of page. So how many pages were there in each chapter? So in one chapter, how many pages are there? That we have to find out. See here, let's understand the question first. Let's say we have a book of 180 pages. So the total number of pages in the book is 180. And this is our book. Now, in this book, how many chapters are there? We have 15 chapters. 1 chapter, 2 chapter, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have a total of 15 chapters in this one book. Now, what we have to find is that in each chapter, how many pages are there? Page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, page 6, 7, 8, 9. So in one chapter, how many number of pages are there? That one we have to find out. So Now what we'll do, this number of chapter 15, you divide the total number of pages and then you will get how many pages there in one chapter. So number of chapter is our divisor. Total number of pages is the dividend. So our divisor is 15 and our dividend is 180 number of page. It's 2 digits number. We'll take 2 digits number here. So 15, 1 time 15. Then you subtract this. 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. And then bring down this 0 here, 30. So our next dividend is 30. So 15 2 times is 30. So when you subtract it, 0, no remainder. So quotient is the number of pages. Okay. Now see, therefore total number of pages in each chapter is how much? 12 pages. Now, therefore, the total number of pages in each chapter is 12 pages. So, quotient is the number of pages. 12. So, one has been done for you. It's very easy. The rest, B, C, D, solve it at home.
Stay home, stay safe, do it for self, live for family, live for